Stop scrolling, because if you're a homeowner, your equity has likely substantially increased in the last couple of years, and you're going to want to know what you can do with that equity. If your property is increased in value, you likely don't have enough homeowners insurance coverage. It's important to check if your homeowners insurance policy covers the current value of your home. As your home's value increases, your coverage might not be sufficient. Another thing to consider is private mortgage insurance. If the value of your home has increased since you originally purchased, you may be able to remove that monthly PMI originally attached to your loan. This strategy could help you save hundreds of dollars a month on that payment. What about consumer debt? You can use your equity to combine your credit card payments into one lower interest rate. What about deferred maintenance, or perhaps you want to remodel? You can repurpose that equity and use it so you can do that remodeling or deferred maintenance, perhaps a roof, and use that equity to your benefit. If you're considering selling to buy another home, it's important to know how much equity you have in order to make a wise financial decision. By understanding this information, you can make a more informed decision about the next steps of your home buying and selling process.